lot of our clients don't realize that they can have their tile and grout clean. They have us for their carpets, their oriental rugs. They think the only way you can clean tile and grout is with a toothbrush and a bucket of bleach. However, we can modify the equipment that we use for carpet cleaning and actually do sort of an indoor power washing right on the floor of their tile and grout, and the results are quite amazing. Having the tiles clean and the grout sealed will help the grout to last longer, look better longer. The next time the grout is clean, it should respond better. Having your tile re-grouted is a very expensive process, but they don't have to do that if they have it cleaned on a fairly regular basis, perhaps once every 3 years. Our technicians have about 100 years combined experience in the field. We are always availing ourselves of the latest technology to make sure we can get the job as clean as possible, as efficiently as possible for the client.